Thinking about starting intermittent fasting but not sure if you're doing it right? You're not alone. Intermittent fasting is one of the most talked about strategies for weight loss, improved energy, and better metabolic health. But beginner mistakes can hold you back from seeing real results. In this video, we'll break down the most common intermittent fasting mistakes, like overeating during your eating window, choosing the wrong fasting schedule, and neglecting hydration, and show you exactly how to fix them. Whether you're trying a 16-8 fast, a 14-10 split, or just starting with time-restricted eating, avoiding these pitfalls can make all the difference. Watch until the end to learn how to fast smarter, fuel your body properly, and turn intermittent fasting into a sustainable, long-term habit. Intermittent fasting has become one of the most popular health trends in recent years. It's simple, flexible, and backed by science. But for beginners, there are common mistakes that can slow down progress, or stop it completely. Here are the top mistakes people make when starting intermittent fasting, and how to fix them. The first mistake is eating too much during the eating window. Fasting doesn't give you a free pass to binge once the clock hits mealtime. Overeating can undo the calorie deficit that intermittent fasting is meant to create. The fix: focus on balanced, nutrient-dense meals, not just quantity. Eat slowly, and listen to your hunger cues. Mistake number 2. Choosing the wrong fasting schedule. Not every fasting method works for every lifestyle. Jumping straight into a 20-hour fast when your body isn't ready can lead to fatigue, headaches, and burnout. The fix is to start slow. Begin with a 12-12 or 14-10 schedule, and gradually increase your fasting window as your body adjusts. Third, many beginners forget about hydration. Water is critical during fasting. Without it, you risk dehydration, which can cause dizziness and brain fog. The fix: drink plenty of water throughout the day. Add electrolytes if needed. Herbal teas and black coffee can also help curb hunger and keep you hydrated. Mistake number 4. Not eating enough protein or fiber. Skipping these nutrients can lead to constant hunger and cravings. The fix is simple. Build your meals around lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables. These foods help you feel full longer and stabilize your blood sugar. Another common mistake is using fasting as an excuse for poor food choices. Some people fast all day and then load up on junk food at night. But processed, high-sugar meals can cause insulin spikes and inflammation, the very things fasting is meant to reduce. The fix: prioritize whole, real foods. Think vegetables, lean meats, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Mistake number 6. Expecting instant results. Intermittent fasting is not a magic trick. It's a long-term lifestyle shift. Some people may lose weight quickly, while others need more time to see results. The fix is patience. Give your body a few weeks to adjust before making changes. And finally, one of the biggest mistakes: ignoring your body's signals. If fasting leaves you exhausted, anxious, or lightheaded, it's a sign something's off. The fix: be flexible. Fasting should support your health, not fight against it. Adjust your schedule, eat when you need to, and always listen to what your body is telling you. Intermittent fasting is powerful, when done right. Avoid these beginner mistakes, stay consistent, and over time, you'll not only see results, but you'll feel them too. Intermittent fasting isn't about perfection. It's about finding what works for your body. By avoiding these beginner mistakes and staying consistent, you give your body the chance to adapt, reset, and thrive. Progress may not happen overnight, but with patience and the right approach, results will come. If this video helped clear up confusion and give you a stronger fasting foundation, give it a like and hit subscribe. And don't forget to share it with someone just starting out. You've got this. One fast, one meal, one day at a time.